I am going to explain how to take sign convention for lens. Without delay, let's start the topic. There are three rules. We'll see one after the other. Let's see the first rule. All distances should be measured from the optic center. It means whatever the distance we are measuring, that should be measured from optic center. And here you will get the doubt, what can all the distance means? All the distance means nothing but here radius of curvature, focal length, object distance, image distance. So we'll understand what all the distance means here. You can see the diagram here, and by seeing the diagram you can understand. See here the convex lens we have taken, and if you see the midpoint of that convex lens we are calling it as optic center, and this is 2f1 is one center of curvature, and the distance between optic center and center of curvature, that is 2f1, is called radius of curvature. So this is the first radius of this convex lens. So this is the distance r1, radius of curvature. We are taking it as a distance, and we are having another surface here, so that's why we are having one more center of curvature, that is 2f2. The distance from optic center to 2f2, it is called radius of curvature, so it is denoted by r2. So this is the first distance, and you can see that it has two focal length. The first focal length we are denoted by f1, and the distance between the optic center and f1 is called the focal length, and it is denoted first focal length, and it is denoted by f1. In the same way, it has one more focal point f2, and the distance between focal point f2 and optic center is known as a focal length, that is second focal length. This is the second distance, and the third distance is, you can see in the diagram, if you take the object on the principal axis, the distance between optic center to object is known as object distance, and it is denoted by letter small u. In the same way, if you take the image, the distance between the optic center and image, this distance we are calling it as image distance, and it is denoted by v. So all the distances here, that is radius of curvature, focal length, object distance and image distance, all will measure from the optic center. Let's see second sign convention. The distances measured in the direction of incident light to be taken positive, and those measured in the direction opposite to incident light to be taken negative. This will understand well by taking an example. Here you will see the incident ray is coming from the left to right. This is the incident ray, it is coming from left to right. We know that all distances should be measured from optic center. Now tell me where to get the object distance from. Yes, you are correct. We need to measure object distance from right to left. Here we are measuring object distance in the direction opposite to incident light. We are measuring object distance in the direction opposite to the incident light. So object distance is negative. Similarly, here the direction of incident ray will be same, there will be no change in it. Similarly, the rest of the distances are also be done same. It means if you want to measure the image distance, you have to measure from optic center to the image. So image distance is measured in the direction of incident light, it is positive. In the same way, first focal length and radius of curvature are also will measure in the direction of incident ray, so it is also positive. Second focal length and second center of radius of curvature are also measured in the direction opposite to the incident direction, so it is negative. So here I wrote some sign convention so that you can understand it easily. That is object distance negative, image distance positive, first focal length positive, second focal length negative, radius of curvature, first radius of curvature positive and second radius of curvature negative. Let us see one more example. In this example, everything is same except image distance. Here image distance is negative. The image distance we have to measure from optic center to image. You are measuring in the direction opposite to incident ray, so that's why image distance is negative. Let us see third rule for sign convention. Height of object, height of image are positive if measured upward from the axis and negative if measured downward. We will understand this through a diagram. The height must be measured from the principal axis, whether it is object or image height. If object height is measured upward from the axis, this is the axis, and upward from the axis, then it is positive. If image height measured downward from the axis, it should be negative. If image height measured upward from the axis, that is principal axis, then it should be positive.